The Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus is not just another smartphone, it's a bold statement in the world of flagship mobile innovation. At the front and center is a gorgeous 6.7-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display that boasts a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, offering an incredibly fluid and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or simply scrolling through your social feeds, the display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and razor-sharp clarity that elevate every interaction. Performance-wise, the Note 60 Pro Plus is a true beast. It's powered by the ultra-efficient and high-performance MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Paired with a staggering 32 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes seamless, with apps loading instantly and staying open in the background without lag. The massive 512 GB of internal storage means you'll never have to worry about running out of space, whether it's 4K videos, high-end games, or an entire library of apps and files. One of the most jaw-dropping features of this device is its 300MP main camera. Yes, you read that right, 300 megapixels. This breakthrough in mobile photography enables insanely detailed shots, incredible clarity even when zoomed in, and next-level performance in both day and night conditions. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or fast-moving subjects, the Note 60 Pro Plus turns every moment into a masterpiece. Keeping this powerhouse running is a monstrous 8,500 mAh battery, built to last well beyond a full day of intensive use. And when you finally need to recharge, Infinix's 120W ultra-fast charging technology ensures you're back to 100% in record time, giving you hours of usage from just minutes of charging. With its premium specs, next-gen performance, and features that push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, the Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus isn't just competing, it's rewriting the rules of the game.